What's up everybody, my name's Luke Martin. I'm a Canadian YouTuber and traveler and proud Taiwanese food lover. Today I'm making a video about the top 5 fruits that you can try here in Taipei. So Taiwan is blessed with a tropical and subtropical climate, making it an ideal place to grow a wide variety of different fruits. So I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite fruits and my favorite ways to eat them. So Taiwanese are very creative with the ways that they like to enjoy fruits. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed to Taiwan Plus's YouTube channel. Let's go explore this traditional market and find those top 5 fruits. Number 3 on the top 5 fruit in Taiwan is this guy right here. You might not be so familiar with this if you're from the West, but this is passion fruit. And if I cut it open, you'll see the beautiful yellow inside, sour, delicious fruit. This thing is one of my favorites in all of Taiwan. Look at that. Of course, you can eat it just like this, but my favorite way to have passion fruit is passion fruit tea. This is always one of my go-to fruit teas, the passion fruit tea. I ordered this one with all the different kinds of QQs in there. So there's the boba, of course, here in Taiwan. Let's try this out. I know it's gonna be nice and refreshing on this hot Taipei day. Oh. No sugar needed. I love the sour kick from the passion fruit. Then those chewy bobas in there too. It works so well together to have passion fruit in a drink. I can't think of another better way to enjoy passion fruit than with a cold tea like this. That is just so ridiculously refreshing. Yum.